Good girl. Well done. Millie likes being a famous doggy, don't you? This is my mum and dad's doggy. And she's beautiful and she likes barking a lot. And someone thought she was a puppy. So Millie's saying thank you, aren't you? You saying thank you to the viewers? You are. They thought you're a puppy. It's a nice compliment, isn't it? Yes, very good compliment. You're 11, aren't you? Yes, you're a good girl. Hello, look at her. Millie! She wanted to do some barking for you, didn't you? Prove how barkalicious you are. Good girl. Beautiful girl. You gonna say thank you to the viewers?